Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the fascinating world of food production. Ever wonder how those fluffy, delicious marshmallows make their way from the factory to your hot cocoa? Well, you're in for a treat today. Stick around because I'm taking you inside a marshmallow factory to show you the magic step by step. First up, ingredient preparation. This is where the journey begins. Marshmallows start with some pretty basic ingredients: sugar, water, corn syrup, and gelatin. These might seem simple, but they are the building blocks of marshmallow magic. These ingredients are measured out with precision to get that perfect melt-in-your-mouth texture. Each measurement is crucial to ensure consistency and quality in every batch. Next is mixing. The ingredients are poured into giant mixing vats. These vats are specially designed to handle large quantities and ensure even mixing. The corn syrup and sugar are mixed with water and heated until it forms a thick, sticky syrup. This syrup is the foundation of our marshmallows. The gelatin is then added to give the marshmallows their iconic bouncy texture. Gelatin is what makes marshmallows so unique compared to other candies. This gooey mixture is whipped at high speeds to incorporate air, making it light and fluffy. The whipping process is what gives marshmallows their airy, cloud-like consistency. After that, it's time for heating. This step is essential to achieve the right texture and firmness. The mixture is heated to a certain temperature, which helps to set the gelatin and gives the marshmallows their structure. The temperature must be just right to ensure the perfect set. This stage is crucial. Too hot or too cold, and the marshmallows won't be just right. Precision is key in this step to achieve the ideal texture. Now comes the fun part, shaping. This is where the marshmallows start to take on their familiar forms. The fluffy mixture is poured into molds of all shapes and sizes. These molds can be anything from classic cylinders to fun, whimsical shapes. Some factories use long tubes to create those classic cylindrical marshmallows, while others might use fun molds for mini or shaped marshmallows. The variety is endless. Once in the molds, the marshmallows are allowed to cool and set. This cooling period is essential to ensure they hold their shape. The marshmallows are popped out of their molds and sent down the conveyor belt, where they get a light dusting of cornstarch to prevent sticking. This step ensures they remain separate and easy to handle. They're then sorted and packed into bags, ready to be shipped off to stores and ultimately into your hands. The packaging process ensures they stay fresh and fluffy, and there you have it. The journey from simple ingredients to the fluffy treats we all love is complete. From simple ingredients to the fluffy treats we all love, marshmallows go through quite a journey before they reach your pantry. It's amazing to see how much care and precision goes into making each one. Next time you enjoy a marshmallow, you'll know a bit more about the sweet science behind it. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this sweet journey. If you enjoyed this inside look, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun factory tours. Your support helps us bring you more exciting content. See you in the next video. Until then, keep enjoying those marshmallows.